You're right guys, I've just got back from the first ever road trip with the Make team. We went over to Record Power in Chesterfield. Now you're probably wondering who or what is the Make team. Well, the Make team is a group consisting of myself, MG Makes and the Carpenter's Daughter, as well as Making It Out of the Woods and John Clothier, who unfortunately couldn't make it on the day to Record Power. We're a road trip team that will be travelling together to learn, collaborate and share with you what the world of making has to offer. We're hoping to add new members and grow the community around the Make team, so check out the links in the description to follow along with everyone involved. The day started with us all learning about the history of Record Power and how they came to be the company we know today. We were then given a tour of the huge facility they have, and we got to see some of the manufacturing processes they do there on site. It was fantastic to see that these jobs are still done by hand by professionals right here in the UK. After a quick break for lunch, we headed into the on-site workshop for some great bandsaw setup tips. I fell in love with the BS350 bandsaw, shows just how poor my bandsaw performs. Then it was over to the planer thicknesser to see how easy changing the blades can be. Even Vicky had a go at thickness planing some point. Myself, Vicky and Martin were really interested in the new Coronet Herald lathe. After a great demo from Craig, we were chomping at the bit to have a go for ourselves. I'd used a roughing gouge before, so I felt confident using that tool. The skew chisel was a different story though. I was amazed to see the results Craig was able to get with it. I couldn't match that level of finish, but I definitely think with some more practice I'll get the hang of it. To finish off the day, we all had a go at turning a bowl. Martin did the majority of the shaping, Vicky helped to remove a lot of the material on the inside of the bowl, and I did my best not to mess it up. It's meant to be like that. We were really pleased with the finished piece, and we can't wait to get back to our workshops to put what we've learned into practice. Now quickly, before the end screen pops up with all the links to subscribe and all that good stuff, I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody over at Record Power for allowing myself, Vicky and Martin to come over, get a tour of the facility, learn all about the history of the company, and of course a massive thank you to Craig for your fantastic demos. We really learned a lot, and of course to my fellow Make team members, massive thank you guys for what turned out to be a fantastic day. I can't wait to see what other road trips and visits we get up to next. So if you're interested in the Make team and everything we get up to, make sure you check out the links down below in the description so you can follow along with everybody involved. That's it then guys, thank you all for watching.